Hello everybody, how are you all doing? Hope you're all doing well. Right, back in the kitchen, going to do a little bit more sewing. I think I ended the last video by saying that we need, or we're going to be looking at doing the headrests for the MGB. So what I've done is got the headrest in, but I've made some templates in relation to getting the pieces cut out and then stitching it all up and then putting it on the headrest itself. So I'm just going to do a quick run through as to what I've actually done. So basically, got myself some old linen paper, and as you can see on the headrest itself, it's in sections. Yeah, so we've got a centre section and two sides. So I've got the paper and I've basically just put it around, scored it off both sides, taken that off, cut it to size, and that gives me the centre section. Also, these two shape pieces going down the side there, done exactly the same, but I've only done it to the one side. Okay, pinned it all in, with the centre section as well. So I pinned that all in, scored it all off, cut it all out, made the template and cut the piece of leather accordingly. And then we have our side piece here, again a bit of the old linen paper, shaped it off, cut it out, gives us our template. And so with that, we have the section that is going to make up the front, we have the sections that are going to make up the sides, and we have the two sections that are going to make up the pieces, the shape pieces around the edge of the headrest. Right, but in good old Blue Peter tradition, here's what I made earlier, complete. And I think that looks the business. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to get onto the sewing machine, we're going to put that all together, and then we're going to put it on the other headrest. Alright, so we'll see how that one turns out. Right, so once again, there we have it. I couldn't be any more happier than the way it's just turned out. Alright, so what remains to be done is to put it on the headrest. When I've done the first one, they are quite tight. Alright, they're really, really tight. So I'm expecting it to give maybe a little bit of a rip, because it did in the first. So that means that at some point I'm going to have to hand stitch it just to bring it all together and make it look really, really nice. Alright, so here we go. Let's see if this will go on first time. Well. Oh yeah. Well, do you know what? You know what? That hasn't turned out too bad. That's really not so bad at all. Okay, so got the backing plate to go on. Tighten it up a wee bit. Get it to come together. Screws. That ain't too shabby. That is. That's okay then. Really happy with that. Oh, brilliant. So yeah, I think I'll just top the seats off really nice. But there you go. It's like I say, never done it before. If I can do it, anybody can do it. And yeah, bear in mind, this isn't a how-to video. It's never been a how-to video. It's just me, again, trying to do things on a really tight budget just to try and get this car back on the road. Alright, like I keep saying, still a bit of a time, still a bit of a way to go, yeah? But yeah, I'm going to stick with it and I'm going to get it on the road. I will get it on the road. Okay, and it's just the simple things like this that keep you going. Alright, but look, once again, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Okay, you take care, look after yourselves, and hopefully see you in the next one. Don't know what that's going to be yet, but I'll see you then. Alright, you look after yourself. Bye for now. Okay, boys and girls, there we go. There we have it. Both seats finished, complete, headrests on, and like I say, I couldn't be any happier. I think they look the absolute business. I think the total running cost of everything for both seats, I think the total running cost came in at about 50 quid. That's 25 quid per seat, which is an awful lot cheaper than what you're going to get charged on some websites, I can tell you. But yeah, never done it before. Really pleased with the results. Like I say, a little bit baggy, a little bit creased in some places, but I'm sure in time that'll sort itself out. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it. If you want to make a comment, please do. And yeah, like I say, in the next one, not too sure what it's going to be, but yeah, I'll probably see you then. Alright, so you take care, look after yourselves, and thanks again. Cheers for now. Bye bye.